Lucie Pieri is a 26-year-old Frenchwoman who came to Luxor 2 years ago to help conserve and restore the sculptures in Karnak. Unlike most foreigners in Egypt, Lucie moved into a local neighborhood on the banks of the Nile and learned to speak Arabic. Her neighbors initially weren't sure what to do with her, but fearing she would be lost and lonely, took her in.
I like the way they eat, everybody on the floor with a common plate.
She tried to return the favor.
When I did once a cake with blue cheese, which is typically French thing, and this they were smiling in a queasy way. So I guess blue cheese is not that much loved here.
Then she met Mohammed, and his family accepted her as one of their own. Though she did have to give up a good deal of her independence and privacy.
If I'm not going out for 2 days, they are afraid. What's gone with you? Are you okay?
Both sides eventually learned to navigate their religious and cultural differences. Mohammed often does the shopping. And Lucie conforms to the local dress code. She also learned to cook according to local tastes.
The chocolate cakes, this I like very much, because you don't get so much chocolate here and it's expensive. Yes.
Today is a holiday, and they've rented a boat to go have a picnic on an island across the Nile. Over these past 2 years, Lucie has become a part of the village and learned to appreciate their way of life.
Just don't ask for tomorrow, just take what comes today, and when some things go bad, don't be angry because it's how life goes.
They have this strong belief that makes them accept what life gives them, and better to care about your family than to possess a lot of things.
Unlike the other women who sit in the shallows with their daughters and let the boys run wild, Lucie immediately heads for deeper water and makes a point of teaching the girls how to swim. Her chocolate cake is clearly popular. In this remote corner of Egypt, the village has come to appreciate Lucie as well.